Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a useful and versatile word, approximately. This is a B1 level adverb that means close to or nearly. It's a great word to use when you want to be specific, but not overly exact. For example, if you're planning a trip and you say, "This trip will take approximately 2 hours," you're giving an estimate rather than a precise number. A few synonyms for approximately are about, around, nearly, and roughly. Let me share some examples. Instead of saying, "The room is approximately 10 feet wide," you could say, "The room is around 10 feet wide." Or instead of saying, "We arrived at the station approximately at noon," you might say, "We arrived about noon." These synonyms are interchangeable in many contexts, but they each bring a slightly different tone. Now, let's look at some antonyms, which help us explore the opposite idea. For approximately, we could use exactly, precisely, or definitely. For instance, if someone asks how far your school is, and you want to give a precise answer, you might say, "My school is exactly 3 miles away." Or, instead of saying, "The meeting starts approximately at 2 p.m., you could say, "The meeting starts precisely at 2 p.m. In everyday life, we often use approximately when we're estimating numbers, times, or measurements. For example, if you're cooking and the recipe calls for approximately 1 teaspoon of salt, it means you don't have to measure it down to the last grain. Or, if someone asks how many people attended an event, you might respond, "There were approximately 50 guests." It's especially helpful in casual conversations when you need to give an educated guess. Here are a few more examples of how to use approximately in sentences. The journey takes approximately 3 hours by train. We need approximately 20 chairs for the event. Her house is approximately a mile from the beach. Thanks so much for tuning in today. We've explored what approximately means, its synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in daily life. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we love hearing from you. Here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word approximately and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words. Bye for now.